Alright, what's up YouTube? So, I got this Newbeedrone Acrobee. This is from Newbeedrone. It's a tiny whoop. I use Dsmx, so I use a Spektrum transmitter. So for those of you who use Spektrum stuff, this is going to be a way to get your voltage reading on your OSD plus your RSSI on your OSD. It took me a little while to figure it out. I even asked Newbeedrone, but what they told me was wrong too, so I just had to keep trial and error, and I finally figured it out. So first things first, I'm going to plug the battery in just to show you. So automatically, by default, the voltage should show up. So if you could see in the bottom right corner right there, the voltage says 4.1, but the RSSI on the left hand side right there is flashing. You can see that flashing 0. So the way to fix that is, first thing you want to do is unplug the battery. You want to plug your Acrobee into the USB and have it connect to Betaflight. So once it's connected to Betaflight, if you're not getting a battery reading, just go to power and battery. And then all you have to do is make sure you have onboard ADC selected for voltage meter source. Once you have that selected, just hit save at the bottom. And then to get your RSSI, you go to receiver tab. And then you go over here to RSSI channel. So Newbeedrone told me is aux 5, but Spektrum doesn't have 5 auxes, it only has 3. So I figured 1 and 2 are already being used. So I just figured aux 3 is the last one available. So I clicked aux 3, I hit save, and then once you see saved in the top left corner right there, you can go ahead and disconnect. And then once you disconnect, just go ahead and unplug your USB, plug in a battery, and then once you have your battery plugged in, now you see the bottom right shows the voltage 4.1. and the left hand side is not blinking anymore and it shows 49 for the RSSI. That's because I'm not flying it or anything, but once you start flying it, it'll start changing to wherever you are. So that's it. That's how you get your RSSI while using a Spektrum Dsmx receiver. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace!